Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make a perfect pizza dough. So let's get started. I've got here 3 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour which I have sifted, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar, extra 2 teaspoons of oil for greasing, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 sachet of dry yeast, or you can use 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast and extra flour for dusting. You will also need some pizza trays, a cooking spray, a fork, and a pastry brush. Take your flour, add salt and sugar on one side and add yeast on the opposite side away from the salt, as the salt will kill the yeast. First, mix the salt and sugar with the flour, then mix everything together. Make a well in the center, add water and oil. Use a spoon to mix all the ingredients together until it is just combined. Sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top. Place the dough on the floured surface and knead it until the dough is smooth and no longer sticky. Lift the dough from the edges, bring it to the center and push it away from you using the heel of your palm. You can also dip your hands in the dry flour or sprinkle extra dry flour on the dough if it is sticky. Shape the dough into a ball. Use a pastry brush to grease the dish. Rub some oil all over the dough and place it in the center of the dish. Cover it with a plastic wrap and then put a tea towel on the top and let it rest on the bench top for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. My dough has doubled in size. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees for a fan-forced oven and 180 degrees for a conventional oven. Punch the dough down, sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top and place the dough on the floured surface. Knead the dough again and shape it into a ball and press it down slightly. Divide the dough into 3 equal-sized pieces. Take 1 piece of dough at a time and shape it into a ball. Lightly grease a pizza tray with cooking spray. Place 1 dough in the center. Use your hands to press it down lightly while you stretch it slightly to fit the base of the pizza tray. Use a fork to prick the base and repeat this process with the remaining dough. Bake it in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Take it out of the oven and you can use it to make your favorite pizza. At this stage, you can also cool it down completely, wrap it in plastic and freeze it for up to 3 months. When you're ready to use it, just take it out of the freezer, let it defrost for 30 minutes on the bench top and you can make your favorite pizza. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.